What it do, Duckster gang? Welcome back to another banger reaction, boys. Today we have got Chainsawman episode 1, guys. This show finally came out. It quite literally came out like 6 weeks ago. I just decided to watch it now, and it's been getting really popular lately. Like, I've been seeing so many things about it on TikTok, Instagram, and the funny thing is, guys, I literally reacted to the trailer when it was first coming out. The one MAPPA released months ago, but like I never uploaded it. But anyway, guys, let's get into reaction now. I don't really know much about the show either from like Makima and like Power or something. I don't even know what that is or who they are. I know who Makima is though. I'm just so hyped to get into the show. I have like 6 episodes to watch. I think I'm just gonna react to this episode, then the latest episode. What was going on? A guy breathing. Okay. What the fuck? Look at that CG. That looks clean. The fuck? This animation is nice. Okay. I like this. What the f? Ain't no way you're living here, bro. Nah, that guy broke as hell. Head to work. What kind of job does this nigga have, bruh? What the fuck? Looks so nice. Damn. 60,000 kidney I sold? Right eye? What the fuck? What am I? What is wrong with this guy? Why would you just sell your body parts? What the? Oh, he has a debt? Ain't no. Why are you that much in debt, bro? What the fuck did you do? Oh, I've also seen that guy. That little thing. Pochita? What thing? A dead devil? There's devils in the show? Okay. Devil hunting. Wait, that thing is a chainsaw. Oh, that's sick. Oh, okay, I'm gonna like this show. Okay. Okay, we got the intro. You already know I never watched the opening. I already know I skipped the opening, but you know, I'm probably gonna watch it at some point. Who knows, maybe months from now or like even tomorrow, I don't know. Oh shit. He killed it already? Off screen? Damn. Oh shit. Denji. Okay, that's his name. Okay. Damn. What the fuck? Bro, you're getting... Nah. Yes, this guy can't get anything, but he has so many like depths and shit. It's nothing. Isn't that like $10? I don't know, $100? Slice of bread. Damn, that's a sad dinner, bro. I can't even lie. Devil Hunter, that's kind of sick, not gonna lie. A pet devil, whoa. He does what he's... So they're basically using this guy. Dog? What the fuck? What? Are you kidding? Why the hell would you do that? Bro, they're treating you like trash. Why are you even helping them? Fuck that debt, bro. Kill them. We didn't even eat it. That's smart, bro. Okay. Big brain, Denji. Jam on their bread before he doesn't even put anything on his bread. Damn, I feel bad for this guy, bro. Look at the state he's living in. That's sad. I feel like that's definitely gonna like happen soon. Wanna score with a girl before... Score with a girl? What the fuck is that supposed to mean? Not like his relative, his mom, his dad. This month's installment. Him? What the fuck? Wait, he has to pay his own family's debts? What the fuck? Nah, that is sad, bro. Oh shit, it's Pochita, or whatever the fuck that thing is called. Ah shit, he was injured. Man, that's sad. He helped it, huh? Wow. Courageous as hell, my boy. Ooh, damn. Bro, why doesn't he just kill those guys, bro? Like, you don't really seem that strong, bro. Like, come on now. He kind of got some drip. Those are like Jordans, bro. Jam on my bread and share with you. Damn, imagine having to dream of shit like that. That's sad. Man, this guy really wants a girlfriend, huh? Heart disease. I made her cough up. Damn. Probably inherited that shit. Devil in here. Huh. I seriously doubt it. This is probably a trap or some shit. Yeah, it has to be some setup. This is definitely a setup. What are they gonna do though? Boy, like a dog. Oh shit! They're trying to kill him, and they stabbed the devil too. What the hell is that? These guys are Yakuza, bro? And Yakuza are lame as hell in this anime then. Made a deal with the devil. What the fuck? Oh, hell nah. Oh shit, what are you gonna do, Denji? How are you even alive, bro? What the hell? Shit, watch out, bro. Oh, damn. Oh, shit. Oh my god. How is this guy alive, bro? Oh, now this show is dark as hell, bro. Oh my god. That's a scary way to die, bro. Head off. Oh my, even the Pochita, whatever the fuck that thing is called. Bro, this show is so dark. Pochita. Yeah, Pochita. Using it to cut trees. That's funny. Nah, bro, that's dark as hell, bro. Wow. What? Wait, so this guy's just dead then? I feel like I remember seeing a scene of like him, his body, and Pochita or some shit. Oh shit. He's turning. They're fusing? What the heck? Nah. What? Oh shit, he's talking. I'll give you my heart. I want you to show me your dreams. What? What the fuck? Where did Pochita go? He came back to life. Well, that's sick. Gross. Look at you. You're gross. What? Nah, this show is interesting as hell. Happiness. But I don't think that was happiness, bro. You're like a slave, honestly. So now he's like a part. Him and Pochita are one. To pull that shit, yeah, it is. It's like a chainsaw, right? What the fuck? Come on, bro. No way. There's no way it's over. I can hear a chainsaw, though. Yeah, I can hear a chainsaw. Oh, shit! Oh my god. He's a chainsaw. What the fuck? Oh my, that looks sick. Oh, oh my god. That means you're one of us. So is he like a devil? Oh my god. Nah, this is sick. Holy shit. That ain't shit to me now, bro. That ain't shit to me. Oh shit. Oh my god, this is sick. Bro, he's scared. Nigga said stay away. He's so scared. Nah, he's about to kill you now. He's about to kill you. Oh my god. What the hell? Oh my god! Nah, he's gonna get in half. Holy shit. Okay, I like this show. I like this show. What are the zombies gonna do now? Oh, I better kill all the oh my god. Nah, he became a G, bro. I won't owe a damn. Oh my god. Yo, bro's gone insane. Okay, well, what the hell's gonna happen now? Now he doesn't have a depth because they're all dead. Those guys were Yakuza, though, right? Who the hell are these people? Wait, that girl was in the intro. I think that's Makima, right? Yeah, that's her. That's definitely her. They all dead, bro. They all dead. Nah, that looks sick. That looks sick. Oh my god. Got a strange smell. What? That shit is melting away, bruh. What are they? Are they like some secret organization? Keep you? What do you mean by that? Fed, bro. He's gonna be a pet again, then I guess. You can treat like. She don't look bad though. With butter and jam salad. Oh, okay. That's a life he's been wanting. Her eyes look creepy. I'm not even gonna lie. Yo, that was sick. Alright, boys, that was Chainsawman episode 1, boys. I really enjoyed that, man. I think I'm gonna just watch the rest of the show, or the remaining 5 episodes, or the last 5 episodes on my own time. Maybe I'll react to the latest one. I don't know. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Remember to stay swole.